Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the Google AI Essentials course offered by Google and Coursera. And in today's video, I'm going to give you guys a complete review of it, what I think of it, and whether or not I'd recommend it to you to consider taking as well. Now, as you guys know, artificial intelligence has been such a hot topic recently because of the fact that AI has such huge potential when it comes to impacting our daily lives and also our jobs. I'm sure you've seen so many articles and posts on social media kind of fear-mongering you into saying that AI is going to take all of our jobs, AI is going to do this and that. But the thing is, with the new AI age coming in and how ubiquitous it's going to be in our daily lives, in our jobs, it's going to be so important for you to leverage AI rather than be afraid of it and learn how to use it to benefit yourself when it comes to your personal, maybe even your professional development and things of that sort. So as soon as Coursera reached out to me to consider making a video about this course, I was so excited because I know a lot of you would benefit from learning the basics of how to use AI, and this course is going to teach you exactly that. I want to thank Coursera for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to check out this course, I'll leave a link in the description below. Make sure to go ahead and like and subscribe and join the family. With that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the Google AI Essentials course offered by Coursera. So this course is actually brand new and it was just released on April 26th of this year. So the main objective of this course is to give people with zero experience in AI or even using AI to get a hands-on approach to learning how to use AI to benefit their daily lives and their productivity. So this course is going to be perfect for someone who has no idea how AI works but wants to be able to understand how to use it and how to leverage it in order to boost their productivity and also use it in their daily lives. So like I said before, AI is here to stay and it's going to be up to you to determine whether or not you're going to be able to leverage AI in these jobs. So the Google AI Essentials course is actually Google's first course on Coursera. The course itself takes only about 9 hours to complete, but it's a jam-packed 9 hours that contains a multitude of different types of information on how to use AI and information about AI. So similar to the other professional certificates offered on Coursera, this course is going to be completely online, so you're going to have that flexibility if you're someone working full-time or part-time or even in school to be able to take this course whenever you have free time. And like I said before, you don't need to have any prior experience when it comes to using AI to start taking this course today. So with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the course cost. So the course itself is $49 and there's also a free trial on the website if you guys want to check out the course for yourself and see if it's a right fit for you. Also, if you have Coursera Plus, it also comes with your membership. With that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the course content and what you should expect to learn from this course. So the course itself is comprised of 5 different modules. Let's go ahead and talk about each one of them and what you should expect to learn. So the first module is called Introduction to AI. This is going to give you the basics of how AI works and how to use AI. You'll have an understanding of the capabilities of what AI can and can't do. Module 2 is called Maximize Productivity with AI Tools. Like I said before, this course is going to give you an understanding of how you can leverage AI in your day-to-day and also within your job. So this is going to teach you the basics of how to use AI to boost your productivity. Module 3 is called Discover the Art of Prompt Engineering. And in my opinion, it's going to be one of the most important modules that this course has to offer. And the reason I say that is because I've used AI for a multitude of different reasons. But one of the main reasons is because I used it to study for my Security Plus certification. It's a cybersecurity certification, and I used AI to help me study, which led me to eventually pass the exam. And the reason I bring that up is because it's going to be so important to you to understand how to create an effective prompt for these AI large language models. The quality of the outputs and the responses that these AI platforms give you is going to be solely based on your ability to be able to write up an effective prompt and ask for exactly what you need in an effective manner. And Module 3 is going to teach you exactly that. It's going to show you how to write an effective prompt, a clear prompt in order to get exactly what you want in order to be able to help you boost your workplace productivity or any certain tasks in your day-to-day life. Module 4 is called Use AI Responsibly, and this is going to teach you the potential risks that come along with using AI and large language models. Module 5 is called Stay Ahead of the AI Curve, and this is going to teach you how to continue to advance your skills and develop your skills in using AI in the workplace or even in your personal life. So overall, this course is going to be pretty jam-packed with a bunch of information about AI. You'll learn how to use AI and learn how it works. You'll learn how to craft effective prompts for AI models. You'll learn the potential risks that come with using AI and also how to to continue to develop your skills in AI as it becomes more and more ubiquitous throughout our lives and throughout our work. So each of these modules contain a variety of different resources to help you learn. You'll have different readings, videos, and even assignments to complete throughout the entire course. And I think one of the most valuable takeaways that this course has to offer is the hands-on experience that you get using AI models like Gemini. So Gemini is Google's AI model, and you're going to be able to get hands-on experience using it throughout this entire course and how it can be used to boost productivity while using tools like Google Docs, Sheets, Gmail, Meet, and even more. So after you complete this course, you'll actually get a skill badge that you can put on your resume or on your LinkedIn to show that you have the basics and fundamentals of using AI. Upon completion of this course, you'll also get exclusive access to the graduate community for new product offerings and continuous support. So overall, I'd say if you're someone who has no experience when it comes to using AI or how AI works, I'd highly recommend considering taking this course. This course is going to teach you the basics and fundamentals of how to use AI and leveraging AI to boost your productivity in your personal life or even in your professional work endeavors. Starting with this AI Essentials course is going to be perfect for you to learn how to use AI and also continue to develop your skills with using these large language models. Like I said before, looking into the future, a lot of these jobs are going to require some form of education and skill when it comes to using AI large language models, and having this course on your resume and your LinkedIn is going to make you more marketable when it comes to finding jobs in the future involving AI and AI skills. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to check out this course, I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at CyberWithBen. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.